We've got gale force winds and pouring down rain, but they're on the roof. Welcome to Lorrie's world. They did not let the weather stop them. Even when it was really coming down, they kept on working because they wanted to get those shingles done by the end of the day.
Well, it is wet and cold and rainy out here, and I feel so bad for those guys on the roof, but I'm so glad that they're up there putting that shingle on there. Yay! It's looking better every time I come out. I want you to tell me what you think of the whole process.
Whatever.
Whatever. Well, so the shingling is done, but we have no cap yet. Well, hopefully that doesn't disappear overnight. I don't know about that. So they've left for the day. This is the end of day 2. They've got the shingles on, but the capping hasn't been delivered yet. So we don't have that. And then it looks like they've got the flashing is over there. And they've just left a bunch of stuff here for overnight. We're not a very crime-ridden community, so it should all be okay, but we'll see. Tomorrow's another day, and they'll be back for day 3 of the roof renovation.